Hey everyone, welcome back to New Cars Technology. The Hyundai Santa Fe just got a full redesign in mid-2023 for its 5th generation, and now, less than 3 years later, Hyundai is already working on a mid-cycle refresh for its popular midsize SUV. Yes, the 2027 Santa Fe is coming, and it looks very different. Let's break it down. We recently saw the updated Santa Fe testing with heavy camouflage, but even with all that disguise, it's clear Hyundai is making major design changes. Thanks to realistic renderings created by Nikita Chuiko from Kalesa, we now have a pretty good idea of what it might look like. The biggest change? The front end. The current Santa Fe is known for its bold H-shaped daytime lighting rings. Well, those are gone. Instead, the refreshed model gets much smaller, redesigned DRLs. There's still a thin light strip up front, but the entire upper grille area has been reshaped so dramatically that it barely looks like a traditional grille anymore. Down below, there's now a large air intake built into the bumper, flanked by newly designed headlights. Hyundai also made small adjustments to the hood and front fenders to fit the new front fascia. From the side, though, nothing major changes, and that's expected. This is a facelift, not a full redesign. The overall profile remains the same. Now let's talk about the rear. The 2027 Santa Fe drops the horizontal taillights and switches to vertical ones. That alone gives it a completely different look from behind. There's also new trim on the lower part of the tailgate, plus a revised rear bumper. And yes, the wheels shown in the renderings are the same ones spotted on the actual prototype. Unfortunately, we haven't seen the interior yet. Spy photographers couldn't get close enough to capture cabin shots, but reports suggest some interesting updates are coming. The new Santa Fe is expected to feature Hyundai's Android-based Pleos Connect infotainment system. We might also see a redesigned center console, a new steering wheel, and other small refinements throughout the cabin. So even if the exterior is the big headline, expect meaningful changes inside as well. Now, here's where things get interesting. Reports claim that a new range-extended powertrain could join the Santa Fe lineup. Details are still unclear. We don't know what engine setup it will use or how much power it will produce, but if true, that could make the Santa Fe even more competitive in the midsize SUV segment. We're likely still a few months to maybe a year away from the official reveal. Hyundai is expected to launch this refreshed Santa Fe in the United States as a 2027 model year vehicle. For context, let's quickly look at current pricing. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe starts at $35,050 for the base SE trim. Here's how the rest of the lineup stacks up. SEL starts at $37,590. XRT starts at $42,040. Limited starts at $44,600. Calligraphy starts at $47,600. If you're looking at the hybrid version, Hybrid SEL starts at $38,690. Hybrid Limited starts at $45,700. Hybrid Calligraphy starts at $48,700. So depending on what Hyundai does with the refresh, pricing could shift slightly for 2027. So, what do you think? Do you like the new vertical taillights? Do you prefer the updated front end over the outgoing H-shaped design? And based on these renderings, does the upcoming Santa Fe look better than the current one? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest automotive news here on New Cars Technology. See you in the next one.